There are new developments tonight in a story that went viral nearly 2 weeks ago about the shooting death of a family dog at a popular Nashville park. News Channel 5's Nick Barris discovered the district attorney is now looking into what exactly happened.
It's been 10 days now, and as you see, there is still a memorial. So many people remembering Duke. That German Shepherd was shot and killed here at Percy Park with dozens of people nearby. Was it legal? And will there be consequences?
911, what's the address of your emergency?
The incident happened Wednesday morning with a large police response to shots fired at the popular park.
So he just started shooting.
There were several 911 calls, which we have now obtained, including from the man who killed the dog.
And I don't know what the right thing is to do, but to call it in.
Are they there as well?
The owners are there. Yeah, they're in pieces. They're heartbroken.
The owners had the dog off its leash in violation of park rules, but Ariana Kaufman, a witness, says Duke was very friendly, with tail wagging.
And it just looked like a really sweet dog, so I was like, hey, and then petting the dog, playing with the dog.
So Kaufman was shocked when a man nearby pulled a gun, shooting the dog at least 5 times just feet from where she was standing. Here's what the shooter told 911 dispatch.
It's horrible. I shot somebody's German Shepherd. They got too close. They didn't have it on a leash. I didn't know they had it on a shot collar.
Tell me one more time what happened.
I had to shoot somebody's dog.
Okay.
Metro Police questioned the man and let him leave. To date, no charges filed. But the case remains open, and now the district attorney is investigating. He can bring charges, and legal analyst Nick Leonardo says there are options.
Just because a dog's not on a leash doesn't give anyone the right to kill a dog or kill any animal. All right?
The man told police he was traumatized as a child when a sibling was attacked by a dog. But Leonardo says that does not give him license to pull a gun and start shooting unless he genuinely felt he was in imminent threat of serious bodily injury or death.
It all turns upon whether or not it was a reasonable response to the actions of that dog.
So, was the shooting of the dog reasonable? Witnesses I spoke with say no. Now, members of the DA's office were here to see the area for themselves and are now talking to police who responded. Charges that the DA could consider would be reckless endangerment or illegal killing of an animal. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Nick, thank you. And the shooter's gun was seized as evidence. Police have not released the names of the dog's owners or the man who shot that dog. And to date, neither have commented publicly about what happened.